How to activate your Windows 10 or 11 with product key. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to activate your Windows 10 or 11 with different product key, so here's what you need to do. So first just head over to your search bar and simply type in the following, that is activation settings. So it will quickly open up the activation settings over here, and once you open it, you can see there's an option called change product key. But before that, you should always verify your status. So here you should see your status whether your Windows is activated or not. So in my case it's already activated, in your case it might not be activated. So in that case, if you want to activate with the product key, you can simply tap on this change product key button over here. So product key is a 25-digit character key, and you can simply provide it any of this, like this, just like this. And once you provide all of these product key details, you can simply click on next, and once the Windows verifies your product key, so Windows will be activated just like that. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.